Good morning, backyarders. Alright, here we go. We're starting on another project. I'm going to try to do this one all the way through and through. Okay, so needless to say, it's already been done. You know, somebody's gone in here and done some amazing work. Got these fuzz gates, I believe it is, or whatever the hell these things are. 6x9s in the door here. And then, you know, that's... whew, that's high end there. Even got a gap. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a gap right there all the way around the speaker. So anyway, basically what's happened already is that the car's been deadened. This has ram mat in it. Buddy Jason at Auto Toys, he's the one who has this material. And this is also the foam. So what he likes to do all the time is he'll put down the aluminum backed material, something like, you know, like this material is. So the floor's been done, roof has been done, everything has been done. So they've been, you know, even the back wall. So you can see the aluminum right there. So deaden first, then the dampening pad, which is a foam pad. That is throughout everything. Has the wall, ceilings, you know, everything. And then of course he'll deal with the doors. Jason is doing all the deadening and wiring in this thing, and I'm going to do all the fabrication for him. He asked me to come out here and give him a help on this little project. I said no problem. What we're doing is a center console that will reach from here to here. Pair of dd12s, I think is what we ended up with. Is the 3500 series, but it's the SQ woofers. I had spoken with DD about this and in terms of volumes and stuff like that. So these looks like these are going to turn out to be perfect. So we're doing a pair of DDs. Now I'm going to do this differently than most. Most of you guys build a center console and you downfire, which in my viewpoint is a complete waste of time because, I don't know, carpet, everything else, you're automatically kicking off you're dampening the output. So I'm literally going to fire the woofers this way and that way so that I can get full volume. Plus also, I'm going to probably, I've got to look at the group delay on this, but I'm thinking about doing the ports so that they rifle up, you know, into the dash area. And that's just for anchoring reasons. So I've got to configure the box correctly so that the group delay is correct and stuff on this. So it doesn't sound kind of like out of phase, basically is what it is. In the doors, what we're doing in the doors here is a pair of the silverflutes. We're doing 2 silverflutes on each side, but they're fully enclosed panels. And if I can, I'm going to port them. If not, they'll be sealed enclosures. And then a pair of horns underneath the dash. And 2 12s, and then, you know, amps and everything will be here. So, but anyway, that's the beginning of this particular Dodge truck. It's an older truck. It's dirty as hell. I mean, dirty. I mean, we're talking this carpet feels like I almost want to take the carpet and go water blast the damn thing because it's just like, ugh. You know, this is one of these been around for a while and everybody's lived in it. You can actually tell by the colors. You know, you see all the coloring and stuff. There's the original color. You see over there by the underneath the mat. That's the original color of the carpet. So, anyway, guys, that's it for right now. And as I go, I will be showing you this and how it's being done. All right. And oh, by the way, I'm doing this literally in a backyard. Yay! So, you know, very simple, you know, plexiglass enclosure. Well, not all plexiglass, but plexiglass windows, lights, everything in this thing to make this thing all. It's gonna pop in the center console. So, but anyway, you'll see what I'm doing when I get it done. Talk to you guys later. Bye.